What's going on YouTube? It's Gucci Cam here. I just got the player of the month bonus or whatever. It's 40,000 MT, so I'm gonna do a pack opening. I'm gonna do the moments. All silvers. Mario, I already have you. Send that to auctions. Because the basketballs don't go for cheap. All silvers again. Terrence Jones. New player, I'll take it. Gold, okay. Two golds. Okay. A gold. Brook Lopez, the worst gold in the game. Sell. Sell. And if y'all can't see, I finished Domination Mode Historic, so I got the Scottie Pippen. Uh, Come on, 2K, give me some good luck. All silvers. I'll send him to auction because he has a fucking strap. Sorry for cursing, but he does not miss. I have him on Gauntlet. God, it's ridiculous. Uh, Kawhi. How many more packs? Five more packs. All silvers. CJ McCollum. Cord. So, I think four more packs. KG. I wouldn't, if I were opening packs, I quick sell the silvers, but if I were you guys and want to make quick MT or get MT back, I would send them to auctions, like send everything to auctions, like the jerseys and the logos and shit like that. For 250 on the auction block, it will sell. More silvers. Courtney Lee, he's a good silver. I'm in seed 7, so I'm actually sending him to the auction. Yeah, I'm gonna just send the rest to auctions now. more silvers. Oh yeah, I just found out the other day that Varejao was on the Warriors. I didn't even know that. So now the Cavs have no big man really. They only have Mozgov. Bronze, silver, silver, silver. Oh my god, another Troy Daniels. God, why can't I get the pack look of all these other YouTubers? Or Cash Nasty, Oprah Side nigga. Like, what the fuck? And I don't understand how the 2K system works when you get the like the 30,000 MT and you get the player, because it seems like I always get the bonus or the player like 5 or 7 cards before I get to that actual landmark or whatever. Okay, gold. D'Angelo Russell. Okay, I already have him. I'm a Lakers fan, so I like it. I like it. Y'all can't tell I'm still sick, so I'm sorry I haven't been posting. And that's gonna do it. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, y'all.